How to download Milestone credit card app. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download the Milestone credit card app. This app offers many benefits including easy account login, transaction tracking, bill payments, and account alerts. To download the Milestone credit app, follow these steps. First, for Android user, open the Play Store on your device, and for iOS users, go to the App Store. Once you are on the appropriate store, tap on the search bar and tap Milestone Credit Card mobile app. When you find the app, tap on the install button. The download time will vary depending on your internet speed. After the app downloads, it will automatically install. Now tap on the open button to launch the app. Before you start using it, make sure to allow all the necessary permissions, then enter your username and password, and tap on the login button. Once logged in, you can start using the app. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative video like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.